Here we go. Into the rain.
No way. Why are we doing this?
To go and take a video.
Of the road?
Look at the cars.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's waves in the road.
This is insane.
Look
Let's
at the
go
bus.
stand
Wait
over
till
here.
the buses.
Okay.
Holy crap, no one is coming to class today. You can't really see it. Let's get closer to the road.
Okay.
Oh my gosh,
Look
at
at this
the
guy's
Look at the
bike.
Wow. Oh my gosh. How is that possible?
Look at this lady.
Oh my gosh, look at the taxi. It's over the headlights.
Holy crap.
Whoa.
Okay, the cars are about to start driving.
Dude, how are we gonna get anywhere? This happens in like an hour.
Daaaang!
Oh my gosh.
So beautiful!
Very beautiful. So we're here till
That's
8.
on the sidewalk.
Oh my gosh, it's to her knees. This is like in an hour, tops,
This
right?
was less than an hour.
Less than an hour. Oh, now it's at the top of that lady's wheel. Dang!
Oh my gosh.
We might have to sleep here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to stay at work.
Why is the bus driver going that fast? What is wrong with him?